Have you decided that it's finally time to start a YouTube channel and you just need some tips and a little bit of hints to get you started and get you pointed in the right direction? Or have you already started a YouTube channel and you're looking at other YouTube channels and wondering why they got more subscribers than you, or they got more views than you, and they started around the same time as you? If you fall in any of those categories that I mentioned before, then you're in the right spot. Or if you don't follow in any of those categories and you just want to watch and you just want to get some tips, then you're in the right spot also. Welcome back, guys. My name's Dante and welcome to Stream Tech. In today's video, we're going to talk about 5 amazing tips that you need to hear if you're starting a YouTube channel, or if you already have a YouTube channel and you're just looking at ways to grow subscribers, likes, and views. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure to like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, make sure to put it down in the comments. We do read every comment and we release videos weekly. There are plenty of videos out there to explain how to start a YouTube channel and how to do it. But today, I'm going to talk about 5 amazing tips that I think will help start you on your journey to creating a brand new YouTube channel or growing a YouTube channel in the very beginning stages of it, to make you a successful YouTuber and get you everything you deserve. The first tip that I'm going to say is find something that you're passionate about. Now, I'm not saying go out there and think of anything you're passionate about, like, hey guys, my channel is going to be about gaming, because that's just too broad. I mean, there's a bunch of categories in gaming that people watch YouTube for. Some people watch YouTube for strategy games. Some people watch YouTube for first-person shooter games. Some people watch YouTube for role-play games. You don't need to go as broad as saying that your channel is just going to be gaming. Now, what I recommend is say, hey, I like first-person shooters, so my channel is going to be about first-person shooters. Now, don't go as narrow as saying my channel is going to be about Call of Duty Black Ops 2. Because then if it comes time that you find another first-person shooter that you're interested in, you're going to be stuck in the Black Ops 2 and all your audience is only going to think you're uploading Black Ops 2 videos. So make sure, don't be too narrow, but also don't be too broad. Like if I come to your channel and you say, hey guys, this is what I'm releasing gaming videos. Well, I'm going to expect, if you come out with a first-person shooter, I'm going to expect that you're going to keep coming out with first-person shooters so I can keep watching them. I don't need you to just bounce everywhere. Just make sure you're focused and you know what type of videos that you want to release. Also, we're going to go a little bit more into that being passionate. Make sure you're passionate about the videos you're releasing. Make sure you're happy. Make sure that's something you're going to stick with for a long time. I mean, don't just look at it from, oh my God, this many people watch this many videos. That doesn't mean that you should do it if you don't like it. Because after 3 to 6 months, if you don't like what you're doing, you're just going to stop doing it. And you're just going to be like, well, I'm just going to stop because I don't like it. Or you're going to hop around and your channel is going to be inconsistent. You're going to have people here for gaming videos and you're going to hop around to like board games. Don't do that. Just be consistent and make sure you're passionate about what you're consistent about. Now on to the second tip. Get a quality camera or use your phone. Now, I know a lot of people saying out there, they're saying, just go ahead and hook your phone up or go ahead and hook a Sony a5100 up to your computer and go ahead and start recording. But before you get into all of that, make sure you play with the settings to find the setting that looks best for you. Because if you don't want to watch the video of you, nobody else is going to want to watch the video of you. Make sure to adjust the settings carefully. Make sure to look through all the settings the camera has or all the settings your phone has. Make sure to find that angle that makes you look the best on camera. And if you're doing a gaming channel, if you're doing something where you're just going to do montages of you playing, like just editing clips, just when you do those, just make sure to be careful. Make sure to make it your own. Make sure not to just upload videos and combine all the clips together and put it out there. Make sure it's yours. Now, I know there are those of you out there who are saying, hey, I don't have any money, or I'm gonna wait till the next paycheck or till I get paid so I can get me a decent camera, so I can get me a decent microphone. Guys, you don't need all that to start. All you need is your phone, recording, and you can just set it up on a tripod, have it facing you, turn the flash on, and you can start recording. Just make sure, like I said, you play with the settings to find the setting and the angle that looks best for your recording. Okay? Because money doesn't necessarily make your content better. Your content on what you're uploading and what you're talking about is what people are coming to watch you for. Now on to the third tip. The third tip that I'm gonna give you is set up decent lighting. I'm gonna let that sink in for a second while I take a drink. Set up decent lighting. If you're gonna be vlogging, if you're gonna be doing YouTube, if you're gonna be putting your face on camera, make sure to get lighting that faces you. If you have a dome light on your room, if you're getting light from your light overhead, that's not gonna be the light that people are looking for. They're looking for light on your face. Light just like this right here. Let me just give you an example. They're looking for light. You see how that's coming toward my face and not from the ceiling? That's right. But you're gonna be looking for light coming from in front of you. Even if you have to set up your phone and turn your flash on and have it facing you so you can get good color and you can differentiate yourself from the background, make sure to do that. Make sure to get good light coming from in front of you and light covering. Even if you have to open up a window and only record during certain times of the day that good light's coming in through your window, even if you have to rig something up, get an LED light and just put it somewhere in front of you and have it sitting there and recording, just do something to make the lighting set up good. Trust me, it makes everything better. Now on to the fourth tip. Have a unique and organized recording area. Now, a lot of you are going to be like, well, you know, I record in my room, or I record in the shared room, or I'm just in a place that it's just not ideal to change things up. Well, I give you just a few little, I guess, hints on what people like to watch. I mean, everybody who's going to be watching you is going to be looking at your background. 55% of communication is visual. So make sure that what's behind you is what you intend to have people see, because that's what they're essentially going to relate to you when they watch your streams, when they watch your videos. They're going to say, hey, I remember that background, or hey, I asked them about that background. That background looks really neat. No one wants to come there and see if you record in your bedroom that your bed's unmade, that you have cups on the counter, that you have dirty clothes, that you have leftover dishes on the drawers. Guys, just make sure that you organize your place that you're going to record from and you make it unique from somebody else. Don't just copy somebody else's video recording place or somebody else's recording habits because you see that they're successful. Just make it your own, because I'm there. If I'm going to watch your videos, I'm there to watch you. I'm there to watch what you're doing. I'm there to look at your stuff. I'm not there to look at a copy of somebody else. I'll even take that a step forward. I mean, if you see the background behind me, just look behind me. If you think all of that was set there on accident, then you're wrong. All that, I put all that purposely there because that's my fiance setup. I made her setup so it looks good in the background of my setup, and my setup looks good in the background of her setup. All this is here to make sure that the video qualities that I'm releasing is good, and it doesn't look like I just live in a place where I don't keep organized. And if I didn't, you wouldn't be able to tell, because all this is here on purpose. The fifth and final tip that I'm going to give y'all is start recording now. Start recording now. Guys, I know a lot of us procrastinate. A lot of us say we're going to do it. A lot of us say we're going to wait till we get that new camera. We're going to wait till we get that next paycheck. We're going to wait till we start on an even number of the month. We're going to wait till we start on a Monday. Guys, go ahead and start releasing content right now. It'll save you a lot of hassle in trying to wait or procrastinating and pushing it off and pushing it off. Just start now. If you don't know how to start, then I'm just going to give you a quick 5-second thing on what to do on how to start. Open up Word. If you don't have Word, go to Gmail, sign up, open up open up documents in Gmail, and it's the same thing as a Word file. Just start out with what you want your channel to be. Start out with example names. Go look around, make sure that name's not taken. Create your YouTube account or create your streaming account and start recording a video. Research topics on what the top videos are and make a video that's similar to that so you can at least get experience in making videos. Your first video isn't going to be the best video, but the more videos you put out, the better your videos are going to get. So start now. Just go ahead. As soon as this video is over, go ahead and start recording your first video. If you started your YouTube channel after watching this video and you released a video, link it down in the comments and I'll watch it and I'll give you my honest opinion on your video. Also, if you started a new channel recently and you want honest opinions on some of your videos you released, or you want some tips that you think will apply to you, just go ahead and put it down in the comments. I'll watch it and I'll give you an honest opinion on it. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe. If you have any questions, make sure to put it down in the comments. We do release videos weekly. All right, guys, I'll see you next time.